Ouch! These people do not care about us at all.
Actually, they do care about us. Earthworms are good for the soil. We dig burrows in the soil, which let water and air reach the roots of plants.
That's right. The burrows also help the roots of plants to grow more easily through the soil and spread into new spaces. Soil contains many more such organisms. So, soil is important not just for plants. In fact, soil is as essential as water and air to support life on Earth. This lesson is about soil. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to list the uses of soil and define soil profile. Agriculture is the most important use of soil. Agriculture provides all of us with food to eat, fiber for our clothes, and material for making houses. Without soil, agriculture is not possible. Therefore, soil is a natural resource that is essential for life. Soil has several other uses. It's used in gardens and in construction and pottery. Soil is formed when rocks are broken down by the action of wind, water, and climate. This process is called weathering. That is why the characteristic features of any soil depend upon the rocks from which it has been formed and the kind of plants that grow in it. Did you know that soil is made up of layers? If you examine the sides of a ditch that has recently been dug up, or the sides of a road on a hill, you will find that the soil forms layers of particles of different sizes. You will notice that each layer is different from the other in texture, color, and chemical composition. Even the thickness of each layer is not the same. A vertical section that shows different layers of soil is called a soil profile. Each layer is called a horizon. Look at this soil profile. You will observe that the topmost layer is dark in color and contains the remains of dead plants and animals. This rotting matter is called humus. This layer of soil is called topsoil or a horizon. It is made up of humus and minerals and makes the soil fertile. It is soft and porous and can retain more water than the other layers. Many tiny organisms, such as beetles, worms, and rodents, live in the topsoil. The roots of small plants do not go down very deep and can be found in the topsoil. When plastic bags are disposed of, they usually get embedded in the topsoil. Since plastic does not get decomposed naturally, these polythene bags pollute the soil and kill the organisms that live in it. Stop using polythene bags. The layer below the topsoil is called B horizon or the middle layer. The middle layer is less porous than the topsoil and is therefore harder. It contains more minerals as compared to the topsoil but lesser quantity of humus. You will see that the third layer in the soil profile is not as compact as the two layers above it. This layer is called the sea horizon and has cracks running through it. It is mostly made up of rocks. The bottommost layer in the soil profile is called bedrock. This is far more solid in composition than the other layers and is very hard. It is difficult to dig up this layer even with a spade. In this lesson, you learned about the uses of soil and how soil is divided into distinct layers. You should now be able to list the uses of soil and define soil profile.